Alrighty, here's your 347 small block Ford. The description of this combination. It's got a set of AFR cylinder heads on it. Pro-Am manifold. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Sump oil pan. Beautiful built specialist front end on it. Fuel management, Holley Terminator X. Go in there and make a run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3600. It is 377 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 521. Peak horsepower 496. Rated 500. So it's got a front end on it. It's 2015. So runs really good. What we'll do now is pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean for you, and show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. Got your engine build pictures, engine build specs, a lot of tech stuff. I highly recommend plug it in and watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way to look anything up for us. If you need it from us, flip it over, QR code, hover on that, click on it, and take you to some more technical information. So highly recommend watch all this stuff. It'll definitely help your installation. Have a great day.